I did not lie against the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Femi Falana, SAN. My country people, welcome to Sinok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Also, make you like, comment, and share our videos. The tori wey we get for you now na the reply wey Femi Falana, SAN, give the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mr. Nyesom Wike, when he don do media briefing some days ago, when he for come dey tease Mr. Falana, say Mr. Falana dey lose case when him himself win from Supreme Court. Mr. Falana come say im dey appear every time for small court and for big court, even for Africa. He say but Mr. Wike, he dey call am television lawyer. He say he no wan join matter with Mr. Wike because of the name wey he dey call am. He say because Mr. Wike na the only life bencher for Nigeria wey he never handle any case for any trial court or for any court of appeal. He say another reason when he take dey ignore Mr. Wike yeye talk be say no be crime if any lawyer lose case for court. He say because na only corrupt lawyer na go win all the cases for every court. He say some days ago, Mr. Wike subject am to some scurrilous, wetin he call scurrilous attack for press conference when he hold for Abuja to showcase the Ministry of the Federal Capital Territory. He say but while the press conference dey go on, Mr. Wike leave the matter when he go talk. He come dey accuse am say im dey lie about the defection of the legislators, when he appear for Channels Television. He say the Supreme Court ruling, when he address the issue of the defection, he say he don settle the matter of defection. So he come dey say, Wike come dey say, if somebody like Femi Falana go come television dey lie, he say na serious matter. He say because those lies go fit cause plenty problem. He come say he express im concern. Na Wike dey talk so, say the misinformation wey Femi Falana dey give so, he say e go fit cause more problem. He come say specifically, Mr. Wike accuse am say im dey lie against Supreme Court for a decision on the defection of the 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. But Mr. Falana come say im no lie against the Supreme Court in respect of that judgment. He say all when he talk be say the matter of the defection of the 27 lawmakers, he say they raise am wetin dey call suo motu. He say and the justices don determine the matter. He say e comment dey based on the issue of the 27 legislators. He say because that time the matter dey Port Harcourt Judicial Division of the Federal High Court, and also video dem dey when the 27 members even dey swear affidavit say they don comot from the PDP to the APC. Mr. Falana come dey talk say na public knowledge say Mr. Wike, he praise the Supreme Court and the judgment. He come even hold Thanksgiving service to celebrate the decision of the 27 legislators when they defect. He say why Mr. Wike come dey attack am now when he, Falana, come comment for the same judgment without any legal justification. He say he want to talk am here and now, say na im fundamental right to criticize the decision of courts e say and na section 39 of the constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 wey dem amend, and article 9 of the African Charter on the Human and People's Rights na give am dat power. E say e for ignore Wike latest attack. E say but Wike don recently call on the body of benchers make dem discipline lawyers wey e bold to criticize the judgment of Nigerian courts. E say no be Wike wey e dey call judges when dem disagree with am, e dey call dem names. E say im Falana dey criticize judgment both of small court for Nigeria and even court for abroad. E say why Wike think say na wrong thing to criticize the decisions of the judges for the Supreme Court too. E say the Supreme Court always dey welcome am when pipo criticize their judgment and to review their judgment. E say because dem believe say nobody dey above mistake. E con dey cite cases wey e be like say Mr. Wike no dey familiar with, when those cases e make am clear say Supreme Court go fit make mistakes. E say from time to time, e say many of these justices dem dey commend the criticism of their judgment. E say recently sef, one wey dey do valedictory for Ascenford, e say e still refer to one of im criticisms when e concern the Nigerian judiciary. So e say because of all these things, e say Mr. Wike deliberately dey set am up against the Supreme Court, because the allegation when Wike take talk against am say e dey lie against the Supreme Court, e say e dey spurious and tendentious, for every material particular. E say and since Wike don become the unsolicited defender of the judiciary, e say e dey challenge Minister Wike make e report am to the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee for professional misconduct. My country pipo, Mr. Falana cite some cases when e quote from the law report. At the end of the day, im come talk say e dey clear say Mr. Wike allegation against am e dey spurious and e dey tendentious. E come say Mr. Wike e don fail to take set am up against the judges of the Supreme Court. E say the time don reach when dem go stop Mr. Wike make e no dey parade himself as the person wey e dey defend the Nigerian judiciary. My country pipo, na Oga Femi Falana SAN na in response to the part wey Wike take call am out for the interview wey e do with selected journalists. How una see dis in response? Abeg make una comment dey known.